awful to watch. Awful, scary moments caught on tape in North Charleston at a baseball game. Little kids, the players, they were running to get out of the line of fire as you heard gunshots from a nearby parking lot. Police say a large group of teenagers got into a fight, and that's why the shots were being fired. Nobody was injured. The city now plans to increase their security at recreational facilities.
People that were out here shooting at each other weren't here to watch a ball game. They came into a secluded area to carry out a fight that started somewhere else and ended up shooting at each other. It destroyed the hearts of a lot of people.
So sad. Games at that place were canceled for tonight and tomorrow.